Hello children, today we are start grammar standard second, chapter number 12, action happened before. Look at what the family is doing today. Now look at the family is doing today. Divya is studying for a test. Divya is studying for a test. Father is washing the car. The father is washing the car. The mother is cooking food. The mother is cooking food. This is what they did sometimes before. Now next look at the picture. Mother washed. The mother is washed. Divya played with his friend. The Divya played with his friend. Father watered the plant. The pictures in the top row show actions which are taking place now. This picture is taking place now. And the picture in row below show action took place before now, and this picture are taking a below before now, means ये recently picture है and this is past, okay, before time. For example, the verb washed tell us that mother has completed the action. Similarly watered and played also tell us about action the were already done by father and Divya respectively. Now study this table. I plucked the flower. They played with us. We asked him. Now his father was. He walked the whole way. You looked tired last night. Manili watched what the holidays would go on. Kavita and Rahul waited for their friend. All the verbs in first column take the ed on ed. All the first column take a ed. It means the complete write ed in past tense. So complete work write down ed. So the action that has already taken place. Some others verb change in the following manner to show actions that have already taken place. Person from present form and past form. Go, went. प्रेजेंट में हम बोलेंगे गो एंड पास्ट में बोलेंगे वेंट. वैक, वॉक. गिव, गेव. सिंग, संग. रन, रैन. स्विम, स्वम. ईट, एट. मीट, मैट. कम, कैम. से, सेड. स्पीक, स्पोक. टेक, टोक. Okay, and this also in a present tense I plucked the flower. In past tense I plucked the flower. Okay, now this is the, and now next move the exercise number 8. Take the correct form of the verbs from the pair given in the bracket. We took. Take is present tense, took is past tense. So we took cutlet for our picnic last week. Last week, this is past tense, so we are right here took. They reached. Reach is present tense and reached past tense. Delhi early in the morning. Third, Gurman and Garlin went by the 6 o'clock train yesterday. Ravi said that at his sister's wedding they sung all night. I woke up at 5 o'clock every morning. Today I wake up at 6. Okay, next 6 number. In the market yesterday I saw the man with green hair. Number 7, we climb the hill daily on the way to the market. Yesterday we climbed. This is a present continuous. Okay, and now here yesterday, so we climbed it twice. Number 8, my brothers play cricket every Sunday. Okay, so write down here play. My parents went to market yesterday. Write down the went. From this brought the expensive dress for me. He and his sister swim fast. Now number B, write the past forms of the following verb. Then use the past form of the verb in your own sentence. Come, came. My friend came to see me the day before yesterday. Give, past tense is past form here, gave. One lady gave me a box of shells. Number 3, swim, swam. He swam deeper into the lake. Eat, past form is here, ate. She ate her dinner, bit. Speak, past form, spoke. I don't know he spoke French. Take, past form is took. What took you so long? Meet, past form met. She met his gaze and smiled. Dance, past form danced. She shook her head and danced out. Arrive, past form is arrived. Prince arrived Moscow yesterday. Drive, past form drove. He drove the speed limit. Bring, past form brought. I brought you something to eat. Fight, fought. See, fought of control. Okay, complete chapter.